Imphal West District ki Koutruk ta shariba National Sports University ki Thabak asi Khumang Chaoshinnaba leinaba Ministry na akhannaba Mityeng Changbiyu haina Rajya Sabha ki Member Ningthou Sanajaoba Leishemba na House ki pukning chingshinkhre. Rajya Sabha ki Member Ningthou Sanajaoba Leishemba na hai sana khonabgi lamda Manipur na lawriba thaudang asi sakhangbiba oina Government of India na leipak asi ahanba National Sports University Manipur da hangdoknaba lawrakhiba warep adu Manipur gi miyam na taramna okhibani adu moinamag University asi sananaba matik chana leirabasu infrastructure semgat sagat pagi thabak shariba asi ka haina tapthakre thabak subagi khonglei tapthrakliba asi gi tongan mamaram kayamaram leiramba yai aduba hojik oriba phibam asi yingsinbibagi tangai fadaba amadi chauna leiri maram aduna sanaroi singi khalaga mari leinaba ministry na thabak asi yingsinbiyo amadi National Sports University asi atuba matamda mathau toba honanaba khongthang paikhatpiyo haina MP Ningthou Sanajaoba Leishemba na makatana phongduki.
However, after getting adequate lands for construction at Koutruk, a village in Imphal West District, Manipur, the progress of infrastructural construction and other related works are very slow. Sir, there may be many reasons for this delay, but it should be expedited at any cost in the interest of our sportspersons across the nation. So, I humbly urge the Union Government and the concerned ministry to expedite the ongoing infrastructural work of National Sports University so that it may be fully functional at the earliest. Thank you, sir.